Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how you can connect a wallet to CoinStats. To connect the wallet to CoinStats, first of all, launch open CoinStats application from your mobile device and log into your account as well. After you are inside the home page of CoinStats, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. Within the More menu, click on your profile username at the top. Once you open up the profile section, click on the Assign a Wallet option right next to Wallet. You will be able to see a list of wallets displayed on the screen that you can connect with. Choose one of the wallets you want to connect to. If you don't see the wallet that you want to connect to on the page, you can tap on Connect Other and select a new wallet that you'd like to connect to. I'm just going to tap on MetaMask since I already have MetaMask installed on my device. Make sure that the wallet you are trying to connect to is already installed and you are signed into that particular wallet as well so that you can connect to CoinStats. I'm just gonna tap on MetaMask, click on the Open button when you see this kind of a pop-up, and you will then be able to see this kind of an interface. You'll need to type in your wallet's passcode or your password for the specific wallet that you've chosen and then click on the Unlock button. Soon after you do that, you will see this pop-up, click on Connect, and that's how you easily connect a wallet to CoinStats. And there you have it. After authorizing it, CoinStats will sync your wallet data and you'll see your wallet balance, holdings and transaction history within the CoinStats app. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.